Hello and welcome to Finastro Cycles by Nitin Bandari. This is update on Nifty and Bank Nifty, the usual daily update. So, being today is a holiday, the next working day will be the Monday. So, I thought let's have an update on this Nifty daily charts. So, we have already done an update on the weekly charts. So, कल मैंने already detailed weekly charts और उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी हैवी वेट्स का आई हैव डन अ वीडियो ऑन दैट सो आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ऑन द डेली चार्ट्स और where we are in the current cycle. So the usual chart which we use every day is this one here, and today this is a though it is a holiday, the software doesn't catch at as it a holiday. So let me delete this bar to avoid any confusions. So now we'll go back here and we'll see this is a yesterday's candle. And what has happened yesterday? So yesterday Nifty dropped all the way down and then bounced back. This low of 17,659 of 25 of 29th October, it is still intact. This low is not taken by Nifty yesterday. It couldn't fall below this by 40-50 points. Now, today is a holiday and Monday is the next important day. The technical indicators are suggesting there is a probability of further drop from here. And what could be the price targets? We'll quickly see if we do the expansion from this high here. This is a Fibonacci expansion. We do it from here to here and we project it. So that comes 17,475. This target is a bit misleading because it is taking a high from here, which is not a correct high of that day. So if I change this high, because that day this high was not formed. Actually, Cash Nifty had a high of much lower. So this is a misleading. Now we'll draw it again from this high to this low, and then we'll project from here. So the now the target is 17,305. This is a 1x target, and this is a time also it gives. So this is a time. Time is for this 29th of November. So another 10 days it could fall as much as this low. But condition is it needs to break this low of 29th October. 29th के अक्टूबर के लो को तोड़ना पड़ेगा एंड दिस इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन ये जुपिटर लाइन है और ये मंथली मिड पॉइंट लाइन है, गैन मिड पॉइंट लाइन है फॉर ट्रेंड. तो ये दोनों को तोड़ना पड़ेगा विच इज 17,662. सो बेसिकली ये जैसे ही टूटेगा देयर विल बी अ शार्प सेल ऑफ. what can change this count, what can change this cycle understanding from here? A close above 18,850, that is the level to watch. 18,850 is a very important for cycles perspective. तो cycles के हिसाब से 18,850 is the Lakshman Rekha for any again next bullish run. Now keep in mind one thing. आज full moon है, late night, and then you have a eclipse, lunar eclipse, और 22 तारीख को सन चेंजेस साइन एंड गोज इनटू सेजिटेरियस. सेजिटेरियस में चला जाता है. ये जुपिटर की राशि है. जुपिटर्स रूलिंग साइन इज देयर एंड देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ एक्जेजरेशन इन नेक्स्ट 3-4 वीक्स. सो बहुत ही अतिशयोक्ति वाले मूव्स होते हैं और विदाउट एनी रेशनल मूव होंगे इन कमिंग weeks depending on the stocks or sector, what how they manipulate. So how we play with it? We play with our numbers, we play with our technical indicators, and our technical indicators and our cycle studies are suggesting that once this low is broken it will give up quickly 300-400 points. And this stochastics, they are sharply turning lower, so that also is suggesting that it could go further lower. But ये सब होने के बावजूद keep in mind कि the moment it crosses 17,850, this bearish mode will be into trouble. So this is all for Nifty right now. Now we'll see quickly what has happened in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty here, let me delete this bar also. And so Bank Nifty again, these all, it is entering into oversold zone. It is highly oversold right now, and it has tried to touch this important line. If you remember, we drew this line. Uh, so this line is coming from first reaction, first cycle high. ये यहाँ से आ रही लाइन, और ये लेवल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर बैंक निफ्टी, दैट इज 37,770, 37,770. सो दिस इज द लेवल टू कीप इन माइंड. ये लेवल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये लेवल तोड़ता है तो देर इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑन द बिगर साइकिल. Any which ways, there is a pattern developing here in the Bank Nifty, that is not a clear pattern, but it is a head and shoulder. It is not very clear head and shoulder. But once this neckline is broken, which is in my opinion already broken from this point to this point, I have taken it. So as I said, it is not perfect head and shoulder, but it is in trouble. So what one should, how one should play? So keep 38,400 and above as it moves. That is the time to go long. That is the time that Bank Nifty will rally for at least 2 to 10 days or maybe more. Until then, it has a potential that it may spend some time or maybe crack down hard from here, though the technical indicators are showing it is oversold. तो ओवरसोल्ड का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि यू बाय. ओवरसोल्ड का मतलब होता है यू ट्रिम योर शॉर्ट पोजीशन, और मे बी यू वेट फॉर अ राइट लॉन्ग पोजीशन का ट्रिगर. सो देन ओनली यू डू इट. So this is all for Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. I am going to post another video on Sun in Sagittarius, the way we did in Sun in Scorpio. तो Sun in Scorpio खत्म हो गया है. Let's see this time जो हमारा एनालिसिस था, वो एनालिसिस बराबर था कि नहीं था Sun in Scorpio में. So let's see that. Yeah, so here we go. So ये Sun in Scorpio है और ये सन इन सेजिटेरियस है. मैं इसको डू नॉट शो कर देता हूँ. सो दिस इज ओवर. दीज ब्लू कैंडल्स, सन इन स्कॉर्पियो इज नाउ done. It is over because there is no trading now. The next trading day will be on Monday, and by the time Sun in Scorpio is out, so we do quick review whether it fulfilled the way it we wanted. So again 50-50 was the chances, और इस बार भी सन इन स्कॉर्पियो में. सो यू सी हाई और लो सेकेंड डे और फोर्थ डे, तो ये पूरा टाइम इट वाज इन अ वेरी थिन रेंज of 700-800 points, but volatility was too high, and this was a one of the case when the movement is very low. The net effect is only 2% down, but actual effect, actually if you see, there is a huge volatility. From low to high it moved 11%, not 11%, 4%, and high to uh, from high to low it moved 4%, and from high to exit also it moved 3% down. So overall, the if you see on the day to day basis, the volatility was too high. So this is all for when the sun was in Scorpio. I will do a detailed study on sun in Sagittarius. Wait for it. Maybe today if I get a time. So I'll prepare a video for the same. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching and subscribing.